Good morning to the Money Squad. If you're new to the Money Squad, or if you continue with the Money Squad, thank you for returning back to the channel. We, I think, are 12 away from another milestone. So if you tell a family member, friend of a friend, we'll be getting to that next level. Yes, this is Professor Emoneyshoes you have today, while we're taking a break from the workplace. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the Who Has the Heat channel, we got at about, I think we're currently 325, something like that. What are you waiting for? We got a dope battle this week on deck. It is Mars Kicks. It is the Retro Whiz Kid, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, in the building with sis 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ. So make sure y'all go over there and subscribe to the channel. Now, I don't want to bore y'all because this is an interesting but dope shoe, because most of y'all don't go past Jordan 13. Some may do 14, but anything other than that, So let's get into it, and we're gonna do it like this. It says women in power. So shout out to all of you ladies out there that's making moves, holding it down. Shout out to women in general, busting glass ceilings, all of that good stuff. Salute to you. So as you can see, this is an Air Jordan 35. Very dope box. Kind of got this blue, and then you got these different hits on it with the lime green. As you can see, this is a PP personal pair, size 11. It's an Air Jordan 35, women in power, $180. Fisher colorway, blue, fairy, metallic, silver, all of that stuff. So you can see it is a unisex shoe. It has 11 and 12 and a half. And then according to Jordan Brand, the theme behind this multicolor execution of 35 celebrates the women in Jayson Tatum's life. So that's very dope. So like I said, shout out, salute to the women. As you can see, that green popping through. I love what they do with the presentation on this box, or these boxes I should say. As you can see, most of the 35s though, they do have some type of theme. Most of them rarely do not. So you see it open like here, like so, and then you see you got your paper like that, and you see you got the women of power in front. That's dope. You can sit a shoe on top of there. Then you open it like so, you got that transformer type vibe, and then you pull it out. And it's bright. Don't get me wrong. It is bright. Bam and bam. So look how nice. This is a PE, and you can actually see this on here. So on the shoe, you have like flight wire on the side panels, along with like red tongue with Tatum's signature, and you have hitting details all over the shoe, because you can see you always got the sponges on the back of the shoe on here. Not sure if these glow in the dark. They may or may not, but this is a translucent sole with this lime green with the Jordan underneath. So as y'all already know, I always like to go for the left side. But some people say women in power. Some people say greatest gift. So it's up to you. But Jayson Tatum, he does have a lot of PEs with this brand. Also, who else has a lot of also Carmelo Anthony is another one. So let's get into it, shall we? Okay, so you can see underneath, you see it says Air Zoom, translucent, green Jumpman, all right? And then right here you got, actually, which is interesting, you got patent leather, and then you got flight wire with a little bit of mesh underneath. You got in power on here, and then on the other side you have women, right? Women. So that is very dope on the shoe. Also coming up here, you got more mesh. Then you got JT for Jayson Tatum. Now this is where you see where it has the hit of this is probably the biggest part, where you can see the Jordan 5 is right here on the glow. Then you got a pull tab here to help you get the shoe on. Coming around on the medial side, no, it's not the medial side, this is the regular side. Come around on the regular side of the shoe, you got more fly wire, And then inside you got this green. So like I said, you're going to definitely be able to be seen. And you got your puka hole in there, but you got, this is great for arch support. The shoe is pretty responsive. Some people say it's a basketball shoe. I say, yes, it's a basketball shoe, but you can rock these joints very easily. And then you can see you got a star. You got 98 on there. 98, I want to say that's probably a tribute to women, because there's no, Jayson Tatum has been in the league since 1998. I'm pretty sure of that. So that's probably a contribute to something else for significant for the women who making moves in his life. Like I said, you got patent leather here. Come around. This the part I don't like, kind of like the mud guard area or whatever. I do not like this part, because you rub it up against something, it's going to get all scratched up. But then you got this in the back, like I said, to protect your little wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. As you can see, you got your Jumpman, and you got your Nike Air. You got more mesh right here. Come around, the ankle part is, you got a lot of padding and protection to protect the ankles. Like I said, so this new technology is very, very dope in my opinion. So then you got to get that back in there. I throw that in there for now. Ain't nobody got no time for that. I don't know if I showed y'all the laces, but you can see the laces pretty much self-explanatory. Now we get to the medial side, right? Where it's the green arc is not as big on this side, but as you can see, and also you can, I don't know if you can see in there, but you can see you got that bubble, that air unit. So that's very, very dope on the shoe. And of course, you got your shoe tree. You got the size on there, says 11 to 13, right? And inside you got fear. So that's pretty interesting on the shoe itself. So it's kind of still harping on the topic of the Fearless pack, right? Because it said the hidden details continued on the footbed, which pays tribute to the Fearless Ones campaign, right? You got the Fearless, y'all had a Fearless One, y'all should know about that. So this one got Fearless inside. You can see that's pretty big. And you got your QR code, and you got your Roman numeral 35. So this one got women, as you can see. Hopefully you can see that. Can you see that? Women, and then power. Let me see anything else that's different. I don't think you see nothing else on there. Oh yeah, besides the JT, right? One has JT, one has the Jumpman. So I mean, other than that, you got your purple little Jumpman there. You definitely will be able to be seen with these shoes. Production date is, let's see, production date 8/26/20 to 12/3/20. So fairly recent. So not bad, Jordan Brand. You got these out in a fairly recent time. It's like I said, it's based off of the Fearless pack. So you guys let me know what you think about this, because this shoe did sell out online. But like I said again, I think it's a very, very dope presentation to the shoe. Now, let's get into the Litty Lit meter. Litty Lit meter, let's look at it real quick one more time, of course. Because I know this won't be everyone's cup of tea, just because of the uniqueness and all of that good stuff. But definitely will be dope for you guys who ball or on the court. You can go true to size or half size up, depending on how you like your shoes. And with that being said, on the Litty Lit meter, based on what it's meaning behind it, I would give it about a 4.75 out of 5. All right, 4.75 out of 5. These again are the Jayson Tatum Jordan 35 greatest gift, women in power, all of that good stuff. So 4.75 out of 5. You let me know what you think. Leave a comment suggestion below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.